Just got back from Dallas, Texas. I freaking love traveling. Check out what we have in store for you. People are always like, yo, Austin, like, why do you invest money into traveling? You know, costs so much money, right, to go to an event like that. And, you know, number one, like, the people, right? Your network is your net worth. So understand that when you travel like that, it's all about who you know in this world, right? So, you know, you have to get out there and you have to meet people, you have to shake people's hands, right? And you have to kind of know, you know, what's going on, right?
We become powerful for a period of time to pass. When you agree with that, that's a logical statement, right? But here's the problem, most of us need it right now. It fucking sucks, I've been there. I still want my shit right now. One of my favorite sayings is I want it right now, immediately, if not sooner. And I get it, but when you keep continuing to follow that forced pattern, you know what they say, right? Keep doing the same things you've always done, you'll keep getting the same things that you've always got.
Until you learn the skill sets and invest in yourself, you're never going to change your fucking patterns, which is never going to produce a result for you. So which is it? You're going to keep hoping and wishing and hoping and wishing and hoping and wishing that the money just magically falls in your shit, and then you'll invest in yourself? Now you got to invest in your shit now to learn the skill set to then change your reality.
So you guys just saw a bunch of clips where I was obviously traveling, right? I was in Dallas, Texas, and you know, I actually went with a bunch of my buddies out there. Cody Sperber is one of my boys, and you know, it's insane, right? People are always like, yo, Austin, like, why do you invest money into traveling? You know, costs so much money, right, to go to an event like that. And you know, number one, like, the people, right? Your network is your net worth. So understand that when you travel like that, it's all about who you know in this world, right? So, you know, you have to get out there and you have to meet people, you have to shake people's hands, right? And you have to kind of know, you know, what's going on, right? So that's number one. Number two, it expands your mind, right? Your mind needs to always go into like expansion mode. And so when you travel like that, you get to see how big the world is, right? You get to see what's truly out there, the abundance of the world. Because a lot of people, they live in a scarcity mindset, right? Because, you know, they grew up in a small town, they've always lived in that small town, and they've never really traveled anywhere. They've never really seen anything, right? And so anytime you travel like that, you go into expansion mode. You come back, you're fired up, and you're ready to make more money, right? To make more connections. So those are a couple of the main reasons that I travel. The other one is knowledge, right? So it's obviously your network, okay? Because your network will equal your net worth, right? And then number two is it's going into expansion mode, right? Abundance mindset. Number three is knowledge, right? The knowledge and wisdom that you get from going to an event or hanging out with people that are more successful than you. So understand that knowledge is power, right? And if knowledge is power, then where do you obtain that knowledge? Now, obviously you can go watch YouTube videos like this, you can go on your Instagram, right? You go on Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, but more powerful than anything is to sit in a room with people that have exactly what you want and to feel that energy, right? To feel those vibrations in the room, right? And that right there is what I call true knowledge, because it's a feeling, right? It's a feeling more than anything. And so once you gain that knowledge, then all of a sudden you can have massive amounts of power, make massive amounts of money. So those are the three main reasons that I travel, right? And you know, at the end of the day, people are like, what's the ROI on traveling? It's kind of hard, right? It's kind of hard to look and say, okay, well, you know, if I spend $1,000 on plane tickets and hotels and this ticket, right, for this event, you know, what's the ROI going to be on that? And to be honest with you, I wouldn't think like that, right? You're thinking in a scarcity mindset. The ROI is much, much bigger, right? And the timeline is much, much longer. And if you're watching this and you're an entrepreneur, we're playing in the long game, right? We're not here for the sprint, we're here for the marathon. So understand that, you know, the ROI, you might not see that for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road, because you might meet somebody where, you know, you create a relationship and it might take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years to truly see the ROI on what that relationship has to offer. So guys, you know, I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. We had a lot of fun traveling the world, and you know, as always, I mean, drop in the comment section down below what you'd like to see. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. See you soon.